stopping in the Panhandle.
So we're going over Perry Foley, and we're turning, go to Calhoun County in the Panhandle for cheap gas.
For less expensive gas.
Stuart Crown, Aztec 2441 Mike at Stuart Jet Center, looking for VFR departure to the northwest with information Yankee.
Aztec 2441 Mike, runway 12, taxi via Alpha.
Runway 12, taxi via Alpha, 41 Mike.
A lot of planes flying today.
Yeah, it's a busy day.
I like that yellow one. Me too.
Looks like a Cub. See how the lightning bolt on the side matches my hat?
And tower, Planet Affirm
Oh, yeah.
D2.
Not the hat I'm wearing.
Look at you like,
That's a Piper plane. Stuart Tower, Aztec 2441 Mike, holding short, runway 12.
2441 Mike, runway 12, clear for takeoff, left turn out.
Runway 12, cleared for takeoff, left turn, 41 Mike.
love you guys.
Love you.
Here, thanks for the accommodation. Have a great
Airspeed's alive ×3. We got good fuel flows, good pressure. Want to fly. Tap brakes and gear up.
41 Mike, did you want to talk to Palm Beach?
We'll talk to Palm Beach. Is it 12362?
41 Mike, affirmative. Left turn out, Palm Beach 2362. Good day.
12362, thank you very much. 41 Mike.
Yeah, there's about 4 helium balloons just here at 1,000 feet, just south of the airport.
2 Lima Charlie, Roger. Use great caution.
Just reporting for other pilots.
Yeah, I know. But you
Don't
know
hit those.
By the time it goes back around, they're not tethered, right? They're in the air.
Correct.
Where is it?
1,000 feet south of the airport is not an issue for us. Palm Beach approach, Aztec 2441 Mike at 2,800, climbing to 6,500, just off Stuart, requesting flight following to Calhoun County, Foxtrot 95.
2441 Mike, what was the type aircraft?
Type aircraft is a Piper Aztec PA-27.
And your requested altitude, sir?
6,500.
Alright, 2441 Mike, thank you. Vira beach altimeter 3028. Squawk 1427.
Squawk 1427, 41 Mike.
2441 Mike, your radar contact 5 miles northwest of Stuart Airport, Vira beach altimeter 3028.
3028, 41 Mike.
November 2441 Mike, contact Miami Center 132.25.
13225, 41 Mike. Miami Center, Aztec 2441 Mike at 5,000, climbing 6,500.
441 Mike, Miami Center, Beer Beach, altimeter 3028.
3028, 41 Mike. Miami Center, Aztec 2441 Mike, just confirming I can enter the Orlando airspace.
Aztec 2441 Mike, as of now, yes, trying to execute a handoff with them.
Understood, 41 Mike. Thank you.
Aztec 2441 Mike, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, and please remain clear of Bravo airspace.
41 Mike will remain clear of Bravo airspace, squawk VFR. Thank you. What do you got for snacks, Shelby?
VFR, number 2
There's a bunch in it, so don't spill it.
We have Oreos.
No.
I don't want Oreos.
We have gummy bears.
There's bell peppers, there's crackers, there's pretzels, there's fig bars.
There's
like
Charlie, reach
these
transponder
dude, like-
I'll take pretzels.
30.
Give in the pretzels, Shelby.
Thank you.
Are we by Orlando?
We are.
So we're stopping in the
So
Panhandle?
we're going over Perry Foley. And we're turning, go to Calhoun County in the Panhandle for cheap gas.
For less expensive gas. Hey guys,
Yeah.
are you ready to add the 4th state to our list?
What do you mean?
We've been to 3 states. We're fixing to add a 4th. 2 planes over there. We've been to Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, and today we are landing where?
Alabama?
Alabama. We're going to Dauphin Island, Alabama.
Formerly known as Massacre Island.
When y'all researched Dauphin Island last night,
Yeah, it's
why did they call it Massacre Island?
because some explorers found mounds of human skeletons everywhere. So
Oh.
but it was actually just a burial ground.
Then why was the skeletons just laying out?
Because they think a hurricane ripped up like the burial ground.
Oh, very good. You were paying attention. But then the settlers decided they didn't want to live on Massacre Island, and so they renamed it Dauphin Island.
But it's just
much
a
more
lot more
pleasant.
friendly name.
It is a more friendly name, you're right. It has a very interesting airport. It has water
Oh, yeah, I
on
love
3
that airport.
sides.
Are we gonna land on that airport?
Hopefully. We're going to stop and get gas
Ooh,
first.
yeah.
And then we'll take off again, and then we'll land in Alabama.
Or are we gonna stop and get gas?
Somewhere in the Panhandle of Florida.
Okay.
We're stopping somewhere called Calhoun County, which sometimes has skydivers from what I read online.
That's cool.
That
But,
would be cool to see.
Like the airport where the mechanic is?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
I loved watching those guys just skydive.
We just have to look for skydivers when we're in the area. And
Huh. That's the Gulf of Mexico. I looked up and
yep.
I didn't realize we were that close already.
Thing's a time travel machine.
Yeah.
Right now, the Gulf where we're going on Dauphin Island is covered in fog.
Oh,
So
great.
we may have to stop where we get gas and just sit there for a little while for the fog to clear.
Well,
Okay.
maybe we can find some lunch. If not, we'll have snacks in our cooler. We will eat a
They always got snacks.
snacky lunch and have an early dinner. I hadn't heard from you, Shelby. Are you excited about going on our big trip?
He's silent.
Are you asleep back there?
No,
Reading a
he's
book.
just being silent.
Hey, she reading a book? That's fine by me.
What are you reading?
He's reading Dory Phantasmaglory.
Is that the book that teaches you how to do the Macarena?
Oh,
Yeah.
oh wait, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, look.
That was just one little section of the book.
Show
Okay.
Jack the Macarena.
Oh,
Do you know how to do the Macarena, Jack?
what?
Do you know how to do the
I've done it
Macarena?
a few times before, but I forgot. I did it, I learned it actually in class.
In class?
Yeah.
I thought y'all learned it on a cruise ship once.
I did, but but the part that I mostly remember is when I learned it in class, in Miss Almi's class, when there was one of the breaks, and she turned on the Macarena song, and everybody did the Macarena. She told us how to do it.
Hey,
I love you so much.
I love you too.
You're my favorite person ever. Don't tell the kids.
Really, Mom?
They know. My Velcro fix for my pin?
Now, what is that?
Put Velcro on it so I can stick it there and it can't roll away.
Rob will be disappointed.
He will.
We match.
How cute.
I didn't plan that, and I just noticed. Twinsies.
So that's Crystal River right there.
Where?
River?
Remember seeing the nuclear power plant while we were scalloping?
Oh, so that is... Wait, that's Crystal River?
Yep.
Oh.
In that airport you see, it's Crystal River Airport. And then when we went to do manatees, we were right in there.
Nobody's flying right around here.
There's nothing here.
Oh, there's one guy that just popped into view.
Of course.
Right as I say something.
Exactly on the altitude we're on.
Oh. I mean, there was been no one. And then all of a sudden.
What?
I was looking down to see if I shut it off. You have a Popeyes app?
Yes, I do.
Love that chicken Popeye. I love you too, but my hand's back there for a bell pepper, not your... Thank you.
City is the Suwannee. I wonder if it's the Suwannee River.
What'd you just say?
It's the city that it's originating from is the Suwannee. Yep, it is the Suwannee River.
What's the Suwannee River song? I know there is one. Way down there on the Suwannee River.
That's not it.
Are you sure? Far, far away.
I don't know. I thought you were singing the tune of the Chattahoochee song.
Way down yonder on the Chattahoochee. I know that one.
Cross City is right ahead. There's an airport right there, just to the right of the smoke.
280.
I didn't realize how quiet it was until that man spoke.
Yeah.
It was really, really busy when we first took off. What airport is that?
Terry Foley.
Are we going to go fly over it?
Yeah.
Kind of looking forward to Dauphin Island because it's not a big crowded beach. It's a laid back, just a few houses type of place.
Yep.
I like those kind of places.
Tallahassee approach Aztec 2441 live with request.
I believe that was November 2441 Mike with a request.
Tallahassee approach 2441 Mike. It was we're direct to Calhoun County, about 15 miles to the southeast of you at 6,500. Just curious if the MOAs are open.
Number 2411 Mike, at this time I'm not showing any of Tyndall's MOAs active at this time.
Thank you, forward Mike.
What is that?
Military operation areas.
Oh, got it. There's another airport over there.
Tallahassee.
Is that who we're talking to right there?
Yep. That's the capital of Florida right there.
Citation 1 Juliet Papa, Tallahassee Airport.
Tallahassee.
12 miles.
Tallahassee, Florida.
For 1 Juliet Pop.
The fun name.
Calhoun County Aztec 2441 Mike is 15 miles to the east, inbound for full stop runway 36. We'll be entering on a right base. Calhoun County Aztec 2441 Mike, 8 miles to the east-southeast, inbound for full stop 36, entering on a right base. Calhoun County. Calhoun County Aztec 2441 Mike on a 5 miles out on a right base for runway 36. All right, 3 green, 1 in the mirror.
After that video we watched yesterday, I'm just waiting for those lights to turn on. The plane landing without gear.
Yep. Calhoun County Aztec 2441 Mike, turning final, runway 36, full stop. Calhoun County Aztec 2441 Mike, short final, runway 36. So this right here, those markers are going to be at 2,700 feet. This is a 3,700 foot runway.
And how long is the one that we have?
We have 3,000 at the next place.
That plane has giant wings. And
We got to
so
get it
small.
down and stopped, or we're coming off the end. Calhoun County Aztec 2441 Mike is clear runway 36.
Good job. It was a little bumpy there then.
It wasn't too bad.
Well, it looks like they have a building. But is it under construction or is it open?
Looks like it's under construction. I don't think you have a place to be. You can go squat somewhere.
Yeah, that is totally under construction. I'm gonna have to.
I really have to use the bathroom.
Well, Jack, you're at least a boy. Maybe there's a porta potty or something. It says terminal. Maybe it's in the trailer.
Probably so.
Woohoo!